everyone and welcome to our video. Today we will discuss Science Term-wise Syllabus released by Central Board of Secondary Education Class 9 Academic Year 2021 to 2022. Introduction. The subject of science plays an important role in developing well-defined abilities in cognitive, affective, in psychomotor domains in children. It assumes the spirit of inquiry, creativity, objectivity, and sensitivity. Upper primary stage defines that a number of opportunities should be provided to the student to engage them with the processes of science like observing, hypothesizing, experimenting, recording observations, drawing, tabulation, plotting graphs, analyze and drive conclusions, etc. Whereas the secondary stage also aspects abstraction and quantitative reasoning to occupy a more central place in the teaching and learning of science. Thus, the idea of atoms and molecules being the building blocks of matter makes its appearance, as does Newton's laws of gravitation. Now let's move forward. The present syllabus has been designed around 7 board themes visa food, materials, the world of the living, how things work, moving things, people and ideas, natural phenomenon, and natural resources. Special care has been taken to avoid the temptation to adding too many concepts that can be comfortably learned in the given time frame. No attempt has been made to the comprehensive at this stage. While science is still a common subject, the disciplines of physics, chemistry and biology begins to emerge. The students should be exposed to experiments based on hands-on activities as well as modes of reasoning that are typical of the subject. General instruction. The total theory examinations will be of 80 marks and 20 marks weightage shall be of internal assessment. Number 2. Internal assessment. Maximum marks 10 for each term. There will be periodic assessment that would include 3 periodic tests will be conducted by the school in the entire session. Average of the 2 periodic tests or marks of best periodic test conducted in the term is taken for the consideration. Diverse methods of assessments as per the need of the class dynamics and curriculum transaction. These may include short tests, oral test, quiz, concept maps, projects, posters, presentation, enquiry-based scientific investigations, etc. Subject enrichment in the form of practical or laboratory work should be done throughout the year and the students should maintain record of the same. Practical assessment should be continuous. All the practices listed in the syllabus must be completed. Portfolio to be prepared by the student. This would include classwork and other sample of student work. Course structure. In term 1, the 3 units will come. Matter in our surroundings. Chapter 2, organism in the living world. Chapter 3, motion, force and work. In term 1, other 3. Matter, its nature and behavior. Organization in the living world. Motion, force and work. Marking scheme. Total theory. Internal assessment term 1, it will 10 marks. Internal assessment term 2, they will give 10 marks and it is grand total of 100 marks. Total theory is also 80 marks. It is both for term 1 and term 2. Term 1, theme materials. Unit 1, matter, its nature and behavior. Chapter 2, is matter around us pure? Nature of matter, elements, compounds and mixture, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture, colloids and suspensions. Theme, the world of the living. Unit 2, organization in the living world. Chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life, cell. Basic unit of life. Cell as a basic unit of life, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, multicellular organisms, cell membrane and cell wall, cell organelles and cell inclusions, chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, basic structure and number. Chapter 6. Tissues. Tissues, organs, organ system, organism. Term 1. Structure and functions of animal and plant tissues. Only 4 types of tissues in animals, meristematic and permanent tissues in plants. Theme: Moving things, people and ideas. Unit 3. Motion, force and work. Chapter 8. Motion. Motion: distance and displacement, velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion along a straight line. Acceleration: distance time and velocity time graphs for uniform motion and uniformly accelerated motion. Derivation of equations of motion by graphical method. Elementary idea of uniform circular motion. Chapter 9. Force and laws of motion. Force and Newton's laws. Force and motion. Newton's laws of motion. Action and reaction forces. Inertia of a body. Inertia and mass. Momentum. Force and acceleration. Elementary idea of conservation of momentum. Term 2. Theme: Materials. Unit 1. Matter, its nature and behavior. Chapter 3. Atoms and molecules. Particle nature and their basic units. Atom and molecule, laws of constant proportions. Atomic and molecular masses. Mole concept, relationship of mole to mass to the particles and number. Chapter 4. Structure of atom. Structure of atom: electrons, protons and neutrons. Valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. Theme: Moving things, people and ideas. Unit 3. Motion, force and work. Chapter 10. Gravitation. Gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Force of gravitation of the earth. Acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight and free fall. Term 2. Gravitation. Gravitation, universal law of gravitation, force of gravitation of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight. Chapter 11. Work and energy. Work, energy and power. Work done by a force, energy, power, kinetic and potential energy. Law of conservation of energy. Theme: The world of the living. Unit 2. Organization in the living world. Chapter 13. Why do we fall ill? Health and disease. Health and its failure. Infections and non-infectious disease, their causes and manifestation. Diseases caused by microbes and their prevention. Principles of treatment and prevention. Pulse polio programs. Internal assessment. Note: learners are assigned to read the below listed part of Unit 4. They can be encouraged to prepare a brief write-up on any one concept of this unit in their portfolio. This may be an assignment for internal assessment and credit may be given, periodic assessment or portfolio. This portion of the unit is not to be assessed in the year end examination. Theme: Natural resources, balance in nature. Unit 4. Our environment. Chapter 14. Natural resources, physical resources. Air, water, soil. Air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperatures, movement of air and its role in bringing rains across India. Air, water and soil pollution. Holes in ozone layer and the probable damages. Biogeographical chemical cycles in nature. Water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. Term 1. Practicals and experiments. Practicals. Practicals should be conducted alongside the concepts taught in theory classes. Term 1. List of experiments. Preparation of a true solution of common salt, sugar and alum. A separation of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in water. A colloidal solution of starch in water and egg milk in water and distinguish between these on the basis of transparency, filtration, stability. Experiments. Preparation of a mixture, a compound using iron fillings and sulfur powder and distinguishing between them on the basis of appearance, behavior, behavior towards carbon disulfide as a solvent, effect of heat also. Number 3. Perform the following reactions and classify them as physical or chemical changes. Iron with copper sulfate solution in water, burning of magnesium ribbon in air. List of the experiments in term 2. Determination of the density of solid by using a spring balance and a measuring cylinder. Establishing the relation between the loss in weight of a solid when fully immersed in A. Tap water, B. Strongly salty water with the weight of water displaced by it by taking at least two different solids. Number 3. Verification of the law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction. Experiments. Zinc with dilute sulfuric acid, heating of copper sulfate crystals, sodium sulfate with barium chloride in the form of the solution in water. Number 4. Preparation of stained temporary mounts of onion peel, human cheek cells, and to record observation and draw their label diagrams. Number 5. Identification of different types of tissues in plants, stripped, smooth, and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cell in animals. From prepared slides, draw their label diagram.